Today, we're talking about a type of robot that's been around since the dawn of automation, the spherical or polar robot. It's a kind of design that proves sometimes the old ideas are still the smartest. A spherical robot uses the simple moves: rotation at the base, elevation up and down, and a sliding or radial arm extension. Put this together and you get a workspace shaped like a sphere. Simple geometry, clever engineering. In fact, the very first industrial robot, the legendary Unimate, was a spherical design. Back in the 1960s, it was doing the heavy lifting in American car factories and kick-starting the whole robotics revolution. Spherical robots shine when you need a wide reach from one fixed base. That's great for machine loading, welding, and jobs where you don't want the base moving around. The downside, they're not for carrying heavy payloads or ultra-precise tasks, but for compact, affordable automation, they still make perfect sense. Here's why this matters for you. As automation grows across the US manufacturing, compact robots with big envelopes are in demand. Knowing how spherical robots work means you can spot opportunities others miss, maybe saving thousands of dollars or over engineering systems. The next time someone asks you what type of robots fits in tight workspace, remember the classics. The spherical robot might just be smart, efficient solution hiding in plain sight. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more robots insights right here, because understanding robots today could give you a real edge tomorrow. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, head over to Robot Philosophy website to join the waiting list or to speak with a team about robotics. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.